In this video, we'll talk about 12 strange signs that might show your liver is damaged. It's important to know these signs so you can do things to stop the disease from getting worse. Your liver can fix itself, especially with some help. Many people think liver damage only happens from drinking too much alcohol, but that's not completely true. Eating too many sugary and processed foods, having lots of omega-6 oils, and eating fast food can also cause liver problems. Using painkillers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen a lot, getting viruses like hepatitis, and other things can harm your liver too. If you're worried about your liver, stick around and watch this video until the end. Starting with number 12, itchy skin. If your whole body itches a lot and it won't go away, it could be a sign that something's up with your liver. Your liver helps clean toxins from your body and keeps things running smoothly. But if it's not doing its job right, toxins can build up and make you itch. So if you're scratching all over all the time, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor about your liver to figure out what's going on and how to deal with it. Number 11, we have jaundice. If your skin and eyes turn yellow, it might mean your liver isn't working right. When your liver can't handle a yellow substance called bilirubin properly, it builds up in your body and makes you look yellow. This yellowing, called jaundice, is a big sign that something's wrong with your liver. If you notice this happening to you, it's important to see a doctor to find out what's going on with your liver and how to fix it. Number 10 on our list is unexplained fatigue. Feeling tired all the time, even after sleeping enough, could be linked to liver problems. Your liver helps your body use energy, store nutrients, and get rid of harmful stuff. When your liver isn't working well because of inflammation, infection, or other issues, it can make you feel tired. It might also mess with the hormones and other stuff that keep your energy levels up. So if you're always tired and can't figure out why, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor about your liver to find out if that's causing it and what you can do to feel better. Before we move on to the next sign, remember to click the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on more helpful health tips in our future videos. Let's move on to number 9, digestive issues. Sometimes if you have ongoing tummy problems like diarrhea, constipation, or other issues, it could be a sign that your liver isn't working right. Your liver helps with digestion by making something called bile, which helps break down fats and soak up nutrients in your gut. But if your liver isn't doing its job well, it can mess up how much bile it makes and how it flows, causing tummy troubles. Liver problems can also lead to things like fatty liver disease or liver cirrhosis, which can make tummy issues worse. So if you're having ongoing tummy problems, it's a good idea to see a doctor to find out if your liver could be behind it and what you can do to feel better. Number 8 on our list is abdominal pain. If you feel pain or discomfort on the right side of your belly, where your liver is, it might mean your liver is hurt or not working right. Your liver sits in the upper right part of your belly, and if it's swollen, hurt, or damaged, it can make that area ache. The pain might be mild or strong, and you might also feel other things like yellow skin, feeling sick, or being tired, depending on what's wrong with your liver. Bringing us to number 7, swelling. Sometimes if your belly or legs swell up, it could be because your liver isn't working well. Your liver helps balance fluids in your body, but if it's not doing its job right, fluid can build up in your belly, called ascites, or legs, called peripheral edema. If you have swelling, it's important to see a doctor quickly to find out why it's happening and how to treat it to take care of liver problems. Number 6, we have dark urine. If your pee looks darker than normal, especially if your poop is paler than usual, it could be a sign that your liver isn't working right. Pee gets its color from a yellow substance called bilirubin, which comes from breaking down red blood cells. Normally, your liver processes bilirubin and gets rid of it in bile, giving your pee its yellow color. So if you notice changes in your pee color, especially if your poop looks paler, it's important to see a doctor to check for liver issues and get the right treatment. Let's move on to number 5, bruising easily. If you find yourself bruising easily or bleeding a lot, it could be because your liver isn't working well. Your liver liver helps your blood clot, which means it can stop bleeding when you get hurt. It does this by making special proteins called clotting factors. But if your liver is hurt or not working right, it might not make enough of these clotting factors, making it easier for you to bruise or bleed for a long time, even from small cuts. Liver problems can also mean your body doesn't make enough other stuff that helps keep your blood vessels strong, making bruising and bleeding even more likely. So, if you notice you're bruising or bleeding more than usual without a clear reason, it's important to see a doctor to check if your liver could be behind it and to get the right treatment. Number 4 on our list is changes in appetite. If your appetite suddenly changes, or if you start losing or gaining weight without knowing why, it could be because of your liver. Your liver helps your body use energy and keeps your weight balanced. But if it's not working right because of things like fatty liver disease, hepatitis, or cirrhosis, it can mess up how your body handles food and energy. For example, liver problems might make it hard for your body to break down fats and carbs, leading to weight loss. Bringing us to number 3, nausea or vomiting. If you're feeling sick to your stomach all the time, especially if you're throwing up a lot and have other symptoms too, it's important to see a doctor. Feeling nauseous or throwing up can be a sign of different health problems, including issues with your liver. Your liver helps your body digest food and get rid of toxins. But if it's not working right because of things like inflammation, infection, cirrhosis, or hepatitis, it can mess up your digestion and make you feel sick. Liver problems can also mean there are too many toxins in your blood, making you feel nauseous or throw up as your body tries to get rid of them. Let's move on to number 2, spider angiomas. If you notice little red spots on your skin that look like spider legs, especially on your upper body like your chest, neck, face, or arms, it could mean your liver isn't working right. These spots, called spider angiomas, happen when tiny blood vessels get bigger because of changes in how blood flows through your liver. Liver issues like cirrhosis or chronic liver disease can cause this. These blood vessel changes are linked to hormone levels and pressure changes in the veins that carry blood to your liver. Number 1, we have mental confusion. If you're feeling confused, having trouble concentrating, or noticing changes in your mood or behavior, it could be because of serious liver problems. Your liver helps clean harmful stuff from your blood, like ammonia. But if your liver is really damaged, like in advanced cirrhosis or liver failure, it might not be able to get rid of these toxins properly, causing them to build up in your blood. So if you're experiencing mental confusion or changes in how your brain works, especially if you have liver issues or are at risk for them, it's really important to see a doctor right away to get help managing the problem. Thanks for watching our video about signs of liver damage. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. So if you notice any of these signs, make sure to talk to a doctor as soon as possible. Stay healthy and take care.